I would like to say that the whole crew, each and every member of this crew is a wonderful human and so cooperative, so sweet. And thank you A1 Films for having me up as a part of this shoot for Dance and Madhuri. Thank you.
Okay, so firstly I want to thank A1 Private Limited because the founder of A1 Private Limited, Sunil Pawan, and it's a big platform to provide us to the all actor. जैसा कि हमको पता है कि सारे एक्टर एक्ट्रेस के लिए मतलब उन्होंने प्रोवाइड किया है. सो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सुनील जी को, A1 प्राइवेट लिमिटेड को. एंड थैंक यू इसलिए क्योंकि डांस विद माधुरी शो अपने आप में बहुत बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म है, उसको दिल्ली में लाना ये बहुत बड़ा काम किया उन्होंने, इसके लिए तहे दिल से शुक्रिया.
Firstly, I would like to thank A1 Films Private Limited and Sunil Pawan ji for choosing me and giving me the opportunity to share my life and journey in dance at this platform. Secondly, I would really like to wish you super success in this endeavor so that all this effort of creating this awareness about dance and dance forms and taking them to the homes of people should meet with lot of success. And as much as I know about Sunil Pawanji, he is making his sincere effort to connect all the artists together, bring them on this platform and give them the scope to share their talent, their learning and spread their word as well.
Thank you A1 Film Private Limited. Thank you Sunil ji.